Welcome to LinuxHelp. Today I will show you how to install Typing Tutor on Ubuntu version 20.4.1. A Typing Tutor is an application which can allow us to learn and test our typing skills. There are several popular Typing Tutor applications which can run efficiently on Ubuntu. In this tutorial, let us see the installation of Clavero and TuxType, two of the most popular Typing Tutor applications. Let's go for the installation. Before installation, check the OS version. My OS is Ubuntu version 20.4.1. Next, I am going to install Clavero application by using below command. The package is installing. Once completed, open the application by using below command. In here, you can choose the test options. I am choosing speed test. Type the passage shown on the screen. Once you have completed the test, you have analyzed the test results on the screen. Next, I am going to install TuxType. Install TuxType by using following command. The packages were installing. Once installation was completed, go to dashboard, search for tux typing, open the application. With this method, installation of Typing Tutor on Ubuntu comes with end. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to LinuxHelp channel. To watch more tutorial, visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.